Hello friends, in this video you will learn about introduction of CSS. In this video we will discuss about these 3 points. First one is what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. This CSS used for making changes the elements of HTML files. It reduces the work like a large amount of HTML files get affected with single CSS file, and when you want to use this CSS file externally, that file should be extended with .css. The next one is syntax of CSS. See one example to get the idea about syntax of CSS. This P is the selector and the color is property name. Blue is property value. This is the syntax of CSS. The next one is basic selectors in CSS. See, this is called, this P is called element selector because we select only single element. So this is the element selector. Then next one is ID selectors. We already discussed it in HTML, the ID declaration in HTML. Then in the CSS, if you want to use the affect the IDs elements with the using hash ID name ID 001. See, this font size is 20 pixel. So this ID element gets affected font size 20 pixel. The next one is class selector. To use class select in the HTML file, the name of class used in CSS with dot and class name. This class name element get affected with this dot class 001, this selector. Font family is cursive. This is the class selector. The next one is when there is group of elements affected commonly, common effect is there, then the time grouping selector is useful. See how to group the elements. Body, div, span, like the elements. So group of elements. See. Text align center. So these elements getting affected. Then the last one is when you want to affect every element in the HTML file, then the universal selector is useful. See, that is star. Font size. Okay. This is complete. Okay. Background color is pink. Okay. This is the universal selector to get the effect of all the elements in HTML file. This is the basic information about CSS. So there is some advanced selectors also there. We will discuss in upcoming videos. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.